Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineer. This is the stairwell down to the basement. It's all concrete stairs, 7 treads. Looks in relatively good order. The rails are 2-inch, but they need some work. They're starting to rust. And they definitely need paint, and you're missing one railing. And these are 2-inch diameter. As you can see, if they're not maintained, they're going to start rotting through. Okay, that's Fire Escape Engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.